Hey guys, it's Cal, and for today's video, I'm so excited. I'm going to be showing you guys a really fun makeup tutorial and my brow routine. Something that's even more exciting is this video is sponsored by Sephora Collection. So thank you so much to Sephora Collection for sponsoring this video. I'm so excited to show you guys the makeup look that I have to share with you today. I definitely want to hop right into the makeup tutorial. I have already washed my face and added moisturizer. I'm loving my hair out of my face lately when I am doing my makeup. Okay. So to start off our look, I'm going to be taking the Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown. I love this as a primer or moisturizer. It's so versatile, it's amazing. I just apply this with my fingers all over my face. I'm gonna let that primer soak into my skin, and in the meantime, we're gonna go into our eyebrows. As we move on to our brows today, the brows are going to be basically the star of this video. I'm going to show you guys how I achieve big brow energy by using my Sephora Collection new brow collection. So this is what the entire collection looks like. Essentially, big brow energy is just being confident and owning the brows that you do have, no matter what type of brow you are working with. The entire brow collection is incredible. It consists of the brow shaper pencil. This one's awesome. It has a triangular tip, so you can still define and shape your brow while keeping it natural and full at the same time. The retractable brow pencil is my favorite. I use it in the shade Blonde. It's because it has an ultra fine tip and it's waterproof. The microblading effect brow pen has a brush tip, so it can fill in any sparse areas and make it look like real hair. The clear brow gel is awesome. It's so lightweight, and when I put it on, my brows don't move all day long. The Brow Volumizing Fiber Mascara is a tinted brow mascara, so you can really just volumize while still filling in and defining your brows to make them thicker. I love all of these products. They really work on me because they're so natural and lightweight. I'm going to be using 3 brow products from the new brow collection. The first one is the Sephora Collection Retractable Brow Pen in the shade Blonde. And then I'm going to be taking the Sephora Collection Microblade Effect Brow Pen. And then to top off my brows, I'm using the Sephora Collection Clear Brow Gel. What is really amazing about these products is the value. They're all only $12 US, which I think is so affordable. The first thing I do is I always brush out my eyebrows. In the shade Blonde, I'm taking my Sephora Collection Retractable Brow Pen, and I love how ultra fine this tip is. It gives me hair-like strokes. Moving on to the next brow product, I'm going to be taking the Sephora Collection Microblade Effect Brow Pen. I love this because this brush tip brow pen, you can easily fill in any sparse hairs that you have, and it really gives you that full natural look that will last all day long. And then to add the Sephora Collection Clear Brow Gel. This stuff's amazing. It's so lightweight, and my eyebrows are gonna stay in place all day long. That is how I achieve the big brow energy. If you guys would like to shop any of the Sephora Collection brow products, just check out my description box below. I'm gonna spray a little Prime and Set mist from Becca Skin Love just to wake my face back up. And we're gonna go right in with some eye primer. I am going to be using my Laura Mercier in the shade Linens. This is one of my favorite eye primers. I've just been using it for the longest. I just use my damp beauty blender to blend in my eye primer. So for our foundation today, I'm using the All Hours foundation from YSL. This is their Flawless Matte formula. I've been using it for a long time, and it just works so well on my skin, especially if we're gonna do a glam look. Because this foundation is a little bit more coverage on me, I'm not using concealer. Once my foundation is all blended in, I like to take, so this is a reusable cotton pad. They come with a washing net and you just throw it in the washing machine with your clothes. It's incredible. But I'm just going to wipe my foundation off the back of my hand. I also wipe any foundation off my lips. And the chapstick I'm using today is the Bite Beauty Agave Plus Intensive Lip Mask. This one's tinted. For my contour, I'm going to be using a bronzer. This is the large Hula Beauty. And I'm going to be taking more of a contouring powder brush that looks like this. And then I'll kind of shape out the nose a little too. Going in with one of my favorite bronzers ever. This is the Laura Mercier bronzer. And I'm taking my Laura Mercier bronzing powder brush. So for blush, I'm going to be using the NARS Orgasm Blush. This is the cream version, and then this is the powder version. Baby dots on my cheeks like that. After that's blended out, I'm going to then take my powder NARS Orgasm Blush with this Laura Mercier blush brush. For highlighter, I'm going to take my Laura Mercier highlighter in the shade Devotion. This color is so beautiful. It's kind of light pink and pearl vibes. Okay, after we finish our face, I'm so excited. We're gonna move on to our eyeshadow. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. I picked it up at Sephora. It's the Nude Light Huda Beauty, and I'm just gonna take the white color in the middle and pack this all over my lid and just blend it out. Taking this purple color, I'm just adding it on the outer corner. And the brush I'm using to blend this out is just a tapered blending brush from Laura Mercier. Now taking this beautiful purple sparkly color, I put this all over my lid. It kind of gives it a wet look, which I'm really in love with. With the same purple shade I used earlier, I'm just sweeping that underneath my eye just to give it a little bit more dimension. Then taking my Marc Jacobs eyeliner. This purple pastel lavender color is so beautiful. I thought it would be so fun to do a wing with it. I tried my best. And then I'm also gonna take my Urban Decay eyeliner and I just do one line underneath the already Marc Jacobs eyeliner. And then for mascara today, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This mascara is a new bottle right now, so it got super clumpy. For our face, I'm gonna put on some more setting spray. So this is the Becca Skin Love Glow Prime and Set. And then moving on to our lipstick, I really wanna do a nude color. Where is my lipstick? For lips, I'm going to be using the Bite Beauty Lip Crayon in the shade Amaretto. And then I'm just gonna add a really pretty nudie gloss right on top. Okay, that is all for the makeup look. I hope you guys love it. I love a purple cat eye with a nude lip and big brow energy. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you loved it. Also, thank you again to Sephora Collection for sponsoring this video. And if you guys would like to shop any of the Sephora Collection Brow Collection products, check them out down below in my description box and you can. But I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and have a lovely day. Bye, love you.